Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be creating a user's resource. So to get started with, let's first and foremost create a Filament resource called user resource. We then refresh the page, make sure we are fully logged in. And as you can see, we got the user's resource here. So, what do we want to have inside the user resource? So inside user resource, let's first and foremost ensure that we have some columns. So in this case, let's create a text column called name. There we go. Then let's duplicate this down and have one called email. We also want to have an image column where we can then say profile photo URL. And this column we want to be rounded. On top of that, inside here, we also want to see if the email verified at date. In this case, this is not verified, but that's fine. We want to be able to edit the user, at least the base details. Alright, so on top of that, we can also change the icon to be users. There we go. And in here, we want to have a text input for name, one for email, and the checkbox for a wall. Actually, I think we don't want to checkbox that. So let's just take a look at what else we could use in here. So outside of that, I don't think there's much more we want to display for the privacy concerns. We don't want to be able to verify a user's email, and we don't want to be able to really, ideally we shouldn't create a user either. We want to essentially modify this to invite a user instead. But we will do that in another tutorial because that's a bit of more of a lengthy process to do that. So ideally a user should just be able to create the stuff in here, and we will later on also create a permission system where we can then assign each user their own permissions. But just to show that this email verify that works, I'm just going to set it to the current date. And there you go. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you want access to my videos early, then you can subscribe on Patreon as well.